So let's talk outdoor heaters. This one right here is one of our favorite heaters to use when we are enjoying our outdoor patio in the wintertime and it is a cold winter night. The saucer up top is a very large surface area, which then forces the heat around 360 degrees from where this heater is. It's propane, very simple to hook together. It comes in 4 separate sections. You have the bottom base, 1 pole, 2 pole, and then your top portion. To ignite, just turn the propane on, use the electric striker, turn it all the way down so that way it's going to prime the heat ring all the way around for about 2 or 3 minutes. And then once you do, you could turn it up and then you could start seeing the top portion start glowing. And what that's going to do is it's going to start pushing the heat up to the ring and then dispersing it all the way around the area that you want the desired heat. Trust me when I say this, real simple to put together, and it is a game changer during the wintertime if you're trying to enjoy any outdoor space, activity, or even a tailgate. Think about picking up one of these because you're not going to be disappointed. And as you can see, now that it's heating up, it's starting to glow all the way around the cylinder and you can start feeling the heat come off the ring itself. Go out, grab yours today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching and good luck for your purchase.